The truth about boredom. Being bored means that you need to do some soul searching. Look at people who are getting things done and making an impact on this world. You think they are bored? Nah. You get bored when you get stagnant. Do you consider boredom to be an emotion? Not quite. I view it to be a mental glitch. That's a new one. Can you expand? Yes. I consider emotions to be something that causes energy in your body. Angry, sad, happy, for example. You feel physical sensations. Boredom is when you are devoid of energy. I see. So, why does boredom happen in the first place? 2 reasons. 1, lack of interest in an activity. 2, abundance of free time. 1. Lack of interest in an activity. You are doing a task that you have zero interest in. So what happens? Your brain is into the task, but your heart is not. 2. Abundance of free time. You have too much free time when you always consume or doing nothing. And remember, humans were born to be challenged and to create. When you have too much free time, you rob yourself of what you were put on this planet to do. Oh my, that explains why I'm always bored. Any way to fix this? Yeah, through 2 possible ways. 1, fun activity. 2, productive activity. 1, fun activity. Have a few activities that life your spirit. Hanging with loved ones, or a fun hobby or 2 suggestions. 2, productive activity. It's hard to be bored when you are being productive and challenging yourself. Going to the gym or starting a side hustle are 2 suggestions. Boredom is a weak person's idea of a problem. And if you view this as a problem, how are you going to act when faced with a real conflict? Exactly. You've gotten too comfortable and now you're just looking for problems. So, you create an illusion of a conflict. Get your butt up and do something. You are always the one to blame when you are bored. Never forget that. Now, with that being said, add some color to your life. Make your future self proud. And soon enough, you will see the illusion of boredom disappear before your very eyes. Magic.